Hi friends, in Human Eye and Colorful World, Chapter 5, Part 4, Presbyopia. In this session we are going to learn about presbyopia. There are three common defects of vision, we know them: myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. In this session we are going to know about presbyopia. Some aged people cannot see objects at long distance and nearby objects also clearly. Means they could not see the objects clearly even they are near or farther. This defect of vision is called presbyopia. Presbyopia is the defect of vision when the ability of accommodation of the eye decreases with aging. The aged people loses the eye accommodation and their eye capacity of accommodation decrease. Then the ciliary muscles gradually weakens and the flexibility of their eye lens also diminish. That's why their eye accommodation power decrease and could not see the objects clearly. Means they may suffer from myopia and hypermetropia. This type of defect of vision is called the presbyopia. Don't forget that it is due to aging and weakening of ciliary muscles, diminishing flexibility of eye lens. You have to keep in mind these 3 points. Due to aging, the ciliary muscles weakens and flexibility of eye lens diminish. To correct the presbyopia, we know that in the presbyopia, the people who is suffering from presbyopia could not see the objects, nearby objects and farther objects. That's why they need 2 types of lenses. That's why the lens containing 2 focal lengths means and 2 types should be used. That's why we have to use bifocal lens. Bifocal lens means one concave portion and one convex portion. The upper portion of the spectacles used by these persons consists of a concave lens and is used to see the objects at longer distances. And the lower portion consists of the convex lens and used to see the nearby objects. Upper portion consists of a concave lens is useful while looking at farther objects, and lower portion consists of the convex lens is useful while looking at nearby objects. That's why the presbyopia is corrected by a bifocal lens. Now we have learnt all the types of defects of vision: myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. For correction of any type of defect of vision, we are using a lens. But we have to know which is the proper lens to be used to get the clear vision. That's why we have to learn about the power of the lens used by the people suffering from a defect of vision. What is power of lens? The degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by a lens is expressed in terms of power. Means whether the lens converge or diverge, the degree of that capacity is expressed in the terms of power. The reciprocal of focal length is called power of lens simply. Keep in mind, the reciprocal of focal length is called power of lens. If f is focal length and power is p, then p is equal to 1 by f if f is expressed in meters. P is equal to 100 by f if f is expressed in centimeters. The unit of power is diopter denoted by D, denoted by capital D. If a doctor advised to use 2.5D lens, then the focal length of that lens P is equal to 100 by f. We know the formula. P is equal to 100 by f is the formula. Now we can write it as f is equal to 100 by p by changing p and f. Then here in this sum, p is equal to 2.5d, f is equal to 100 by p means 100 by 2.5, that is equal to 40 centimeters. The 2.5D lens, the 2.5D lens focal length is 40 centimeters. This is the sum, model sum to know the focal length if power of lens is given. If the focal length is given, if focal length of a lens is 25 centimeters, then the power of lens P is equal to 100 by f. Here f is equal to 25 centimeters, P is equal to 100 by 25 is equal to 4d. This way we can get the value of focal length or power of lens by using the formula P is equal to 100 by f. Thank you.